What's up guys, so most of us are familiar with chargers like these for charging laptops and devices. For example, this is a Ugreen 65-watt charger, and it has 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and it plugs right into it. But as you know, there are many accessories that you buy, like small lamps or some sensors that also take a type C or USB-A input, and they are, I mean, you don't want to install these kind of chargers with them. First, they are expensive. Second, they are bulky. So for example, imagine that you have 3 to 4 accessories installed somewhere on the wall or something like that, and you need a charger for that. So it would be nice to get something like this. It is called a rack charger. So it takes input from AC directly, universally, like this one. So if you compare them side by side, this one takes input from there, has a cable, so which you usually need, and you can install something here like a base and plug it inside the wall. You also get it in black. I got it in yellow just to give it enhancing effect for the video. But again, this is called rack charger. They say it is fast charger, but don't expect it to be fast. It would be I don't think it is going to be fast. It is made for, I would recommend it to be used for accessories that take low wattage. So let's try charging something. Let's try, because it takes minimum power, let's try it on a phone first. And on a phone it should not really give it much power. I mean, it will give you some power, but not that much. The phone is not even recognizing the voltage. Come on, pick up something. Alright, my Android phone wasn't picking it up, but for iPhone you can see it is being charged. It would be, so iPhone is detecting it fine. Let's get another Android phone. Okay, this one has picked it up. So most probably my Samsung phone was being a little too cautious. Charging rapidly. So it is fast charging. And also fast charging for iPhone. See, so you can use accessories or phones as well. So for example, these earbuds, it is charging. So I was under the impression that it will not work with phones, but it is actually working fast with phones from Android phone and iPhone. For some reason it did not work with my Samsung phone, which is strange, because on other Android phones it is charging fast, but this one does not even detect it, which is quite strange. Anyway, so in case you need to charge some accessories with a solution, or in a position where you have a table and you need a tiny charger and the socket is installed behind it, or you need to install some accessories on the wall or something like that, and you don't want to buy this expensive charger. These are cheap, very cheap as compared to this one. For these you may need this rack charger. It's called rack charger. I will leave the link in some multiple links in my video description, but you can also search them with the name rack charger. And Anyway, let me know guys in the comment section below what you think of it. Take care and bye.